Welcome everybody to my channel Akshit Guru. Today we will see a feature that is inside our phone and in all the Android phones. So first, for this feature you can see my phone's battery is 33%. Now when I will on that feature, my phone's battery will be 100%. Let's see that feature. First you have to go to settings, mobile settings, then scroll down. You will see about phone, click on that. Then again scroll down, you will see us in software information, click on that and click on build number 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now draw your pattern. Now you can see a pop-up that developer mode enabled. Then back. Now you will see a mode called developer options when you scroll down again. So click on that. When you will scroll down, you will see demo mode. Click on that and enable demo mode and click on show demo mode. So you can see the phone battery is 100% and the messages are there and 10 a.m. but only the time has been changed and nothing has been changed. Everything is okay. So this feature you can use when you are going somewhere and your phone battery is going to die. So then that time you can use this feature. Okay. So when you have to off the feature, that only enable demo mode off that feature. Then when you have to off the developer options, you will see a on button here. So click on that. Now back. The developer options have been disabled. So this was the new feature of a phone, Android phone. This feature is in the every Android phone. You can see this feature on any Android phone. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.